Hello, I'm going to talk to you for a little bit about Read and Write for Google Chrome. Now, Read and Write, also known as Google Read and Write, is an app that works within, or an extension that works within Google Chrome, particularly useful on Chromebooks, but works on any device that can run Chrome, that can do a number of features such as reading your screen, reading text on the screen. It can use voice to text features. It can even do some basic translation of a word to another language. And there's even a screen mask feature, which I will demonstrate here in just a moment. So I'm going to open up this demonstration doc I've created. I'll close it out really quick. So you install it, and you can set the icon to activate it on your bar up here and turn it on. And it's got a number of features here. You can you can play. For instance, I'll click the play, and this will read the screen for you.
This is a demonstration document. It has been created to test out the Google Read and Write app for Google Chrome.
Okay, so you can do that. You can pause it along the way. As you notice, it highlights in yellow the sentence that it's reading, and then it highlights the word it's reading as it goes along. So that can be particularly useful for those who, reading is a challenge for them. It's also useful for those, who have issues with the visual, seeing the on-screen words. Instead of having to magnify the screen, they can do a screen reader. There's also a screenshot reader, which actually installs another extension. I'm going to show you a few other things. Let's do talk and type first, though. Go down here and click talk and type. Click the button. Actually, it's already activated anyways. Okay, so see, now it is saying what I'm saying, or it's writing what I'm saying. Excuse me. I will deactivate, and I can go and fix whatever. And now let's do it again. Hello, comma. This is a demonstration of the voice to text feature, period. I think it is really cool. Exclamation point. What do you think? Question mark. And so there you have it. Of course, it gives you some recommendations. You can go through and edit and say it is, just nothing's perfect. It's still an emerging technology, but it's pretty effective. So there's that. There is a translator feature. Now, I've got it currently set. You can go under settings and adjust, like under options, and adjust languages and things like that. There's a lot of features you can adjust. You can turn on and off. I've got it currently set to translate to Korean. So if you click on a word, it will, let's see, demonstration, click on this. It will translate that one word to Korean, demo. So it will not do a whole line of text. Google Translate's better for that. So probably copy and paste and then go to Google Translate is your best bet there. But if you have a word that you want to know what it is in a different language, or if you or speak, your native language is not English or whatever language it's written in, and you want to know what that word is, it's useful for that. But again, Google Translate's probably better. I do want to show a couple other things. It works also on websites. So, for instance, I'll click right down here. I'll click play. Sorry, you got to highlight the text on a website. And then you click play.
Summary of the Read and Write for Google. RWW for Google is an extension for Google Chrome that is primarily a reading support, but also provides writing supports.
And you can pause it along the way and pick back up.
There are two different versions.
Or you can stop. Okay, now I'm going to go back to our demonstration document to show you one other feature called the screen mask. Now, I've already set the adjustments. You can adjust different settings here and change your background color, your reading light color, even the height of what is being highlighted here, and the great thing about this is this can be useful for those who need to focus on 1 or 2 lines at a time or a paragraph at a time without being distracted. You could even turn the background color to black if you wanted to, and just keep that way. You're not seeing the rest of the stuff, particularly if there's distractions on page. But this is also useful for those who their attention might be pulled away if there are multiple on-screen distractions as well. And of course, you can't really control what's on another website. So anyway, that is Read and Write for Google Chrome. You can access it from the Chrome Web Store. Of course, I've already had it installed, but yes, you can install it. And it's a pretty useful tool. So hopefully it's useful.